Hi everyone, I'm Vipra Patil and welcome back on my channel Forever Magnifico. And my today's video is about I'm sharing my current favorite everyday wear lipstick. So I'm gonna swatch my current favorite lipsticks which are great for everyday wear. These are warm toned nudes with pink undertones, mauve undertones, and mostly working for white to medium skin tone because I am towards medium skin tone. One or two might go across wheatish to darker skin tone as well. So these are my current go-to lipsticks and they keep on traveling with me currently, and I keep transferring them from my one bag to another. So let's get started with the video. So first I have my current favorite, which is from L'Oreal Paris. This is from their Rouge Signature liquid lipstick. I absolutely love this shade and I'm constantly applying it since I have bought. This is the shade 121 I Choose. This comes in this black carton packaging with golden embossed shade name given, and then inside we have this tube packaging which has a doe foot applicator because it's a liquid lipstick. The most love fact about this liquid lipstick is their formula. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. It's so weightless, it's so seamless. You just don't feel anything that you have been worn. Once you apply, it feels wet. It only feels wet. It's absolutely wetless, and once it dries into a beautiful matte finish. Again, that matte finish is not really cracky or feels chapped on your lips. It's really moisturizing. I really love this shade. It's a pinkish nude shade, more has undertones of pink. It's a very flattering shade and shall go across most of the skin tones. I'm like fair to medium. It's like they can carry most of the colors, but it shall go around wheatish skin tone as well. And for a duskier skin tones, it might look more nudish rather than pink tone. So yeah, I really love this color. I'll just show application. It's opaque, pigmentation is awesome. It feels wet right now, but once it settles down within like 2 minutes or so, 1 or 2 minutes, it settles down into a beautiful matte finish. On screen it looks little more lighter because I've also applied a foundation beneath this lipstick on my lips initially, so it shows on a prominent color, but it's definitely a opaque coverage and has a buildable coverage again. More of a lipstick. I love this as a blush. I mean, I just take it on my back of the hand and then just with a sponge, or you can apply it with the fingers as well, but I prefer using a damp sponge and then applying it on apple of my cheeks, and it gives a beautiful flattering shade and instant that glow on the face, and I absolutely love this. So more than a lipstick, I love this as a blush because it's damp, soft, and it's so smooth. It just blends so easily. So this particular product is priced at 799 rupees. And it's approximately it's a 7 ml product that you receive. It's available online, Nykaa, Amazon, Myntra, or you can take it from any of the L'Oreal counters as well. It's from their permanent range. So yeah, this is my first favorite and perfect everyday shade I would suggest. Okay, so my next pick is this, another favorite from Nykaa. This is from their range Matte Luxe collection, and this is a bullet lipstick. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's the body is black. The body has the lipstick shade. So if you have 2 or more, it's easy for you to identify which color you want to pick and go for. The shade that I hold right now is Vintage. This is beautiful shade. It's a warm nude shade with pink undertones, so it's not exactly pure nude. It has this nice pink undertones. So it's beautiful shade. It's gonna go across fair to medium skin tones, and the formulation is awesome. It's very comfortable on the lips again, and no tugging or pulling after application. You don't really require any moisturizer before, or before application of this lipstick. And it's a comfortable formula. It settles down into a nice velvet matte finish. The staying span is quite decent again, and I really love this lipstick. I actually love more the packaging, because it looks super luxurious, and it comes with this magnetic seal, so it's quite sturdy and travel friendly. So I'll just swatch it for you. This is the shade Vintage. It just glides on like a butter. Beautiful shades. I mean, they come in 12 different variants, and all these shades are so wearable, and they're gonna work across all Indian skin tones. So I really love this collection, and I'm really looking forward to get add on more shades from this collection into my vanity. So yeah, but this is my most favorite. I just love this. So this one's again priced at 799 rupees, and it's 4.8 grams of product, which is also mentioned at the bottom of this packaging. I really love this shade, and the pigmentation and the coverage is also great. The payoff is great, so this is my second recommendation to add on into your pink nude collection. So my third pick is this, another current favorite from MyGlam. This is from their Perfect Curves Moisturizing Matte Lip Crayon collection. Now this is a 2-in-1 product. They say it's a lip liner as well as, so it's a lip pencil and a lip crayon. It works as both, so you don't need a different lip liner to line your lips before for this application, because this does the job for both. And I absolutely agree, because I've already tried this, and I have created a beautiful look, a festive glam look using this particular lipstick and another MyGlam product. So if you want to check it out, do check it out. The video is available on my channel. So yeah, this is a shade called 002 Debutant. It's a beautiful mauve, I would say mauve pink shade, and it's a very beautiful and a flattering shade, and shall work across all Indian skin tones. The formula is superb. The formula is great. It's totally moisturizing and comfortable as it promised. And it's also opaque in one single coverage. You will be able to see right now, and it's also long wearing. So I really recommend this particular shade from MyGlam. It's absolutely stunning, and this range is also absolutely stunning. So if you want to check it out, please do. On my skin, it looks little more, proper pink, but it's little warm. It has warm undertones, and it shall look little more towards, say, maroonish, toward the darker skin tone, I would say. And the formula is super comfortable. Again, no tugging, pulling. As you can see, it gives opaque coverage in single swipe, so it covers the pigmentation if you have any on your lips, and it doesn't even settle down in those fine lines, so you don't need any moisturizer beneath before the application of this particular lipstick. I absolutely love this shade. It just glows up, and just add that required glow on your face, and instantly lights up the look. So this particular product is priced at ₹695, and you receive 3.7 gram of the product. It's again details mentioned at the bottom. This particular range has complete packaging like this, like white and gold mix. So if you want to figure out the shade, if you have two or many, then you just have to see at the beneath there is the sticker added on with the shade name. And I love the fact that the cap is sturdy, so again it makes a travel friendly one. So this particular crayon has this retractable packaging, so again there is no need of sharpening and there is no waste of the product, so that's a big yay. And yes, that's it. This is my current favorite. Again, if you're looking forward to add this, definitely go ahead and do check the range out. They have some amazing different another shades as well. So the fourth lipstick I have is this beautiful shade from MAC. This is from their permanent matte range and it's called Meher. It's their most selling one. I currently have this mini size version available with me. I think this is my third purchase, if I'm not wrong, of MAC Meher. Yeah, I so love this lipstick. Initially, MAC lipsticks were quite, I would say, kinda reasonable. They were around 1,000. The full size used to be priced at 1,000, but now the full size is priced at 1,700 rupees. Yes, and this is the mini lipstick, which is priced at 1,090. But the time I purchased this, it was priced at 990 rupees. So these are quite expensive ones. If you're looking for investing, then go for I would suggest go for a mini version, so that usually we don't end up finishing the lipstick very fast. So unless and until you are loving or you're just sticking around one lipstick forever. So yeah, this one's my go-to, which is like if I don't find anything or if I'm confused about anything, it's buttery smooth. The finish is awesome. And it smells like caramel, I go for MAC Meher with any doubt. So that's a beautiful pink nude shade. Again, it's matte finish. It has a nice velvety matte finish, I would say. It glides on easily, opaque coverage, and the staying power is awesome. I mean, compared to my earlier three, My Glam was better than the L'Oreal and even the Nykaa one, and this one's even better. So the staying span is much more longer than the earlier ones. So I'll just swatch it for you. This is the only tiny amount left with me right now. And yeah, it's time for repurchase. That's MAC Meher. It's a gorgeous shade, gonna looks flattering on every skin tone. I love this shade. I mean, you can just make it out the amount that I've used. Though this quantity is just 1.8 grams in the mini packaging, and if you're taking a full size product, it's somewhere around I think 3 grams. Yeah, it's just double the mini this thing. So yeah, this is it. But I'm definitely going for a full size next because this is my most used. But I really like the minis at the time of travel. So yes. Last I have is this beautiful shade from Smashbox. This is from their Always On liquid lipsticks, and this is again the mini version available with me, but I took mini version only because these are very expensive. The price of full size of this product, this range lipsticks, is around 2,100 rupees. So I have taken this mini version. So this particular lipstick comes with one more mini. So it's a combo basically, which like 2 minis you get it for somewhere around 990 or 1,000 rupees. I'll put the exact prices in the description box below, but yeah, it's somewhere around that range. But the shade that I have is this Gulabe, and it's an awesome cool tone rose pink shade. It's beautiful shade. I just love this. It looks flattering on all Indian skin tones. Definitely worth it. I would say the mini version definitely, but if you're a big fan of this particular lipsticks and you want to have one in your vanity, you can go for a full size one. But these lipsticks are little drying comparative to the other four that I swatched. The formula of this lipstick is little more drying. I mean, it's not what I would say, like initially those were also matte lipsticks, but you didn't really require any lip balm or anything moisturizing your lips prior. But this definitely does a little. If your lips are chapped or has fine lines, that would show up if you're using this particular lipstick. It's little bit drying in the tube as well, if you can see. I'll just swatch it on my lips. It's again a doe foot applicator, so applicator becomes easy. See, it's that drying. That's the shade Gulabe. Overall, it's a great shade to have. I really couldn't resist my hand on getting this because I so love the shade. Little bit about the formulation, it's little drying, so you just have to prep your lips first. That's it. Otherwise, it's a great matte lipstick. If you're crazy like me who love matte lipsticks, definitely you can go for it. So again, the packaging is transparent, so if you're holding more than two, definitely it's easy to pick up the shade that you want. So it's nicely it can be easily identified. Again, a travel friendly sturdy packaging, and of course the coverage is opaque, pigmentation is awesome, and staying span is awesome. It's transfer proof. Yes, so that's Smashbox Gulabe for you guys. So that is it. That was my current favorite lipsticks, and I am currently into nudes. I mean, not currently, I always love nudes, and I definitely go on opting for nude shades over brights or more warmer shades, or some hot reds or maroons. That's not my style, or I'm not really comfortable carrying those lipstick on everyday basis. So these are my go-to ones. I really like picking among these currently, and so I thought of sharing with you all. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found it useful as well. Let me know in the comments if you have tried any of these or which is your current favorite. I would love to know that. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, and stay gorgeous. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Thank you.